Good afternoon, fellow Plexers. This will be a quick little video that is for my Ugreen NAS that I installed Unraid on before I set it back up with the Ugreen operating system. I want to show you that I've added UPS protection to it. So I've got an inexpensive Cyberpower UPS connected to it, and you see the battery levels at 49%. It's slowly growing, and it has 15 minutes of runtime left. So to get this installed in Unraid and have the Cyberpower UPS work through a USB connection, the first thing you need to do is go to the apps, installed, and search for NUT. You see I have it installed. Network UPS Tools, NUT in parentheses for Unraid. Once you install it, double check some things from the settings. In the settings, you want to go to UPS settings and make sure the APC UPS daemon is off. This, I guess, is built in and only for an APC brand of UPS. So then go back to your settings, and after installing the NUT plugin, you should have NUT settings. And I think the only thing I had to do was start network UPS tools service for yes. I left everything else default. I think the NUT slave username is slave user and whatever was default here. I didn't change the name of the UPS, and the UPS driver is USBHID-UPS. Auto for the port, and I set mine for battery runtime in 4 minutes. So when I switch to battery mode, Unraid will shut down 4 minutes later. And then you hit apply, and that's about all I did. And next thing I know, in my dashboard, up on the top right, I had this UPS parentheses NUT status indicator showing all this information. So it's very easy. I wanted to get this done before I reset the Ugreen NAS back to defaults. And no promises, but I read on Reddit that someone put Exponology on a Ugreen NAS to actually run Synology DSM. I don't know if I'm that crazy to try the same thing, but boy, would that be an interesting video if I was able to accomplish that successfully. So happy plexing and happy weekend, and don't be afraid of these Ugreen NASs. It makes a nice little Unraid device, but I actually think as a Plex server, you can just run the UGOS on it that it comes with, and that makes a hell of a Plex server with Plex running in a Docker container. I just wanted to see if I could get Unraid on it, and it was pretty easy to do. So I'll leave a URL to my main video on how to get that done in the description of this video. Have a good weekend.